Yo, what's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a very important tool that you can use to solve most of your problems. Some people may not know about this tool, or some others may know about it, but they will not care enough about it, or they may not know about how it's used. So in this video I'm gonna show you how this tool can be used to solve many problems. And sometimes some of the problems happen because of some stuff that you installed on your system or some configuration that you have done on your system. And this tool, I believe it exists for a long time on Windows. Most of Windows versions, especially the newest one, at least it started to, or I started to see it on Windows XP. I don't know if it exists on the previous or the prior versions to Windows XP. If it doesn't exist, I'm sorry for you guys who use those versions. This tool is native, you don't need to install it. It's called System Restore. So on Windows 7 or in the search bar for any Windows version, you can type System Restore and you will get it, this one. Or you can press Windows plus R. Here it does, on Windows 7 I cannot find it. You can press Windows plus R and then you can type rstrui and you will get this one. It's the same as System Restore. Alright, so you can choose this one. For me, I have done a System Restore and then I undone it. So if you yourself have done System Restore once and it did not work, you can undo that one, or you dislike the new configuration which was before you do the last configuration, you can undo it. If you want a full or a bigger list of the stuff or the changes that you have done on your system, you can choose or click choose a different restore point. The restore points do not necessarily exist or are not necessarily made by you yourself. You can yourself make them, but I don't know why here it doesn't exist. Probably from another place we can find them. I will try to find them. Otherwise, if any of you knows, yeah, this one, just choose create a restore point. So whenever you create that one, let's create one, so we can say test. So this one also you can use it to create your own restore point. So whenever you want to make any changes on your system and your system does not make an doesn't automatically make a restore point, you can yourself make that one by searching for restore point here and then choose create a restore point, this one, and you're able to choose the name. After you click this restore, you create it, you wait some time for it, and then later you can use it after you make the changes on your system. It's a good practice every time you would like to it says here that the restore point was created successfully. It's a good practice for you whenever you want to make any changes on your system and you would like to be able to revert the changes, you can do such thing. So we close this thing and then open it again to be able to see our new created restore point. So choose a different restore point and then we choose this one. I want to show you that here it says like type. There are some types. Sometimes if you install some software, it makes some restore point and the type is install. Sometimes you do some changes or you undo and you want to go back before them. So here, let's try to restore the system now. This one will not show you any big differences because my system is working well and this is a fresh install of a Windows 7 machine, Windows 7 virtual machine. So you can do this on a normal computer. It doesn't take so long. Whenever you want to restore your system, it doesn't take so long. So we wait some time for it, especially if you don't have a lot of data and your system is not very slow. And then you will be able to see that the restoring process is successful. And if you asked me, for example, can we undo the last restoring? Yes, you can. As you can see, you just need to open rstrui by pressing or after pressing Windows plus R on your system, or by typing or a system restore on your search bar, just like my case, which is Windows 7. Afterwards, you can undo the last changes on your system. So here it says that the system restore completed successfully. Let me tell you something, that this thing also can be done on your safe mode, and it can solve also the blue screen of death. Sometimes I cannot guarantee it's going to be 100% working, because the blue screen of death can happen because of hardware failure. So do not assume that there is something wrong or this thing was going to help you solve the blue screen of death 100%. It can help from time to time. So whenever your system functioning is not well, you can access your safe mode. We can make a video about it one day if you want, and then you can do system restore. So if we want to undo the last system restore, you can do it whenever you change your mind. You can do it. So I'm going to show you that you can do it. You can simply go back to your system restore, and then we press here next, finish, just like before, and we wait some time, and we will undo the last changes we have done on our system. So it can revert the last changes and can undo the reverting itself, or the reversion, if we can say. Wait on some time. Depending on your system performance, this may last longer, depending also on your configuration, on your files. Some of your files may be deleted because your system goes back just like it was before the last changes you made on your system. So here I have done the restoring and I have undone the restoring. So you yourself, you can do that on your true machine. You must make sure that this appeared to you, system restore completed successfully, and check if your problem still exists or still persists or not. Otherwise, that's it, I guess, from me. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.